Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I had somebody request to do hairstyles for outings and like casual hairstyles. So I did a quick little video on some of the hairstyles that I really like to use when I go out, and they're really quick, easy, and they're kind of like lazy girl hair hacks. So if you want to see how I got some of my hairdos for my everyday outings, please keep watching. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. Okay, so my first hairstyle is simply clipping up the top portion of my hair. And this is about day 3 hair, and I feel like that gives me the best volume, and my hair doesn't slip out of the clip as easily because it has some texture and some buildup, which I actually am not opposed to. So that is a really easy one, and then you can also dress it up by going into this next one. So I like to do a fishtail braid, and I think it just looks a little bit more put together and like dressier, or like you tried a little harder, even though it's really simple. So you just separate your hair into 2 strands, and then basically you just take the outer portion of each and then bring it towards the middle. And it gives you a really pretty braid, and it's a little bit different, and I've actually had a lot of people comment on my hair when I do this fishtail braid, so I highly recommend it. And just take your hair tie and tie off the end. I like to use a little bit of a thinner one to reduce the appearance, but you could also use a really pretty ring or a hair tie that already has rings on it. Also, if you loosen the braid, it gives you the appearance of thick, voluminous hair, which always looks really nice. For the third hairstyle, I am literally just putting this little headband on I got from H&M, and it's a little bit thicker than I normally like to use, but it was really pretty and pink and kind of matched my outfit and my makeup. So what I did was just simply put it over my head to add a little bit of detail in my hair, and of course you can use a smaller one if you like, or you can use a bigger one too. And then for the fourth one, what I'm gonna do is undo my braid and untangle everything. And then this is really simple, and it looks really like kind of like Renaissance or like Coachella vibes. And what you're gonna do is keep the headband over the top of your hair, and then just take little strands and sort of twist it around the headband and pull it out underneath. I believe this is called the Grecian updo if you take all of your hair and twist it up, but my sister Sandy actually showed me this really beautiful halfway up Grecian hairdo, and I thought it was so incredibly beautiful and girly, so thank you, Sandy, for the idea. And for the next hairstyle, the full Grecian updo, you're just going to take the rest of your hair and spin it into the headband, and tie it down as much as you like, whichever feels comfortable, and then just adjust and you are good to go. And you can also secure it with clips if that feels a little too loose. But it looks really cute, effortless. And when you're all done with that, it is really easy to take it out. You just slip it out and you're ready for your next hair look. And for this next look, I am taking a hair clip and twisting my hair up and calling it a day, which is my favorite hairstyle, especially as a mom on the go. I find that this is just the easiest, and it still looks decently cute, and you can obviously make it as groomed as you want, but it's also really easy to take down. And for the last hairstyle, I'm going to do somewhat of a side braid, but this one, I don't know the name of it. I'm just taking 2 strands and twisting it over and grabbing hair, adding hair from underneath each time. And then I just twist it and tie it to another strand on the other side, and that's it. I hope you guys liked all these hairstyles. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like these types of videos, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.